Welcome back once again to Danny's Media. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the former impeached Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua is in bad condition concerning to how judges are handling his impeachment judgment at Milimani Court in Nairobi County, whereby Rigathi Gachagua might stand impeached as the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya concerning to how his case is being handled at Milimani Court in Nairobi County. And before we proceed, ensure that you like our video. When you like the video, you automatically shows us your support on what we are doing on this platform. And if you are meeting this channel for the first time, please kindly take a second of your time and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, comment on them, share them. Then don't forget to turn on notification bell for more updates daily. Thank you so much, and may God bless you, ladies and gentlemen, for that great support of subscription and also the like. Let us watch the video together before we proceed with this update of Rigathi Gachagua's impeachment judgment at Milimani Law Court.
Rigathi Gachagua has committed crimes by continuously misleading members of the public through false, malicious, divisive, and insightful remarks contrary to the provisions of Section 132 of the Penal Code and Section 29 of the Leadership and Integrity Act. Ground 9, gross misconduct under Article 150, Sub-Article 1B of the Constitution by publicly attacking and undermining the work of the National Security Intelligence Service and its officers. Ground 10, gross misconduct or insubordination by openly or publicly insubordinating the President, who is the head of state and government. Ground 11, gross misconduct by persistently bullying state and of public officers. The impeachment motion was formally initiated before the second respondent, that is the National Assembly. In response, several constitutional petitions were filed in the High Court, challenging both the legality and constitutionality of the National Assembly's proceedings. These petitions, consolidated with Nairobi petitions, which I had mentioned earlier, were consolidated and are collectively referred to as the Cohort 1 petitions, with petition number.
That is how Rigathi Gachagua's case is being cooked. And I think that Ruto is also afraid of allowing Rigathi Gachagua to vie.
Impeachment process invalid, null and void ab initio, and violated the right to a fair hearing under Articles 25, 27, and 50. It was their further position that the impeachment was...
Yes. Because Ruto knows very well that if Gachagua will be set free to vie ahead of 2027 election, then opposition leaders will be stronger. Watakuwa na nguvu. Na hiyo ni ukweli.
Mr. Kinyanjui, this is the brief ruling on that matter. First of all, we want to note for record that the matter you are referring to is not before this court, either by way of a mention or a hearing or a judgment. Indeed, it is not before us, and we are not able to take notes on that matter. Secondly, because many people here may not know where you are coming from, you yourself sought to be deconsolidated in that matter, and we gave you the orders the way you wanted them. You took yourself away from these petitions. We have made a decision on that. You will not misrepresent facts. Listen, I'm making a ruling on this matter. The matter is not before us. The Court of Appeal has had or has cited that matter. If they wanted to stop us, we would drop our pens. Give us a court order from the Court of Appeal, then we'll drop our pen. We don't have anything like that. Lastly, we gave directions the last time we were having this matter. We said that your matter will be mentioned after today's ruling. And for record, and this is the last comment we are making on this issue, Your matter is coming for a mention on 18th of June 2026. Parties before the court, are you ready to proceed?
Thank you very much, Your Worship.
Really. And if Rigathi Gachagua want to be freed at Milimani Court, then opposition itapoteza nguvu sasa. Ile wave na popularity na nini, division itaanza kuwa kwa opposition side because ile morale ni Rigathi Gachagua amekuwa nayo haitakuwepo. So maybe Ruto is trying to prevent that one. Hii maneno ya wave ya one term within the united opposition leaders led by Rigathi Gachagua, because right now Gachagua is the leader of the united opposition leaders. Hiyo nayo tunajua. But the way judges are handling his case just shows that Gachagua might stand impeached, ladies and gentlemen. Let us, tuseme tu kweli. That is what Ruto wants. Ruto wants to make sure that anamaliza Rigathi Gachagua once and for all. But we are just praying for Rigathi Gachagua to succeed with this case. We just want all those judges to have justice and mercy towards Rigathi Gachagua, because it is true, Gachagua was impeached illegally. Number two, Kindiki was appointed also illegally as the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya, because during that time, during impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua, we didn't even have an IEBC. It is William Samoei that approved Professor Kithure Kindiki as the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya, which was illegally. And that is reason why, in between my analysis, I normally say that the president, there is an extra power that should be reduced toward president. This issue of the president controlling everything, controlling all the courts in Kenya, controlling his cabinet's ministry, controlling the security affairs. Ruto should serve this, should lead by an example, should focus on his office. Ruto should not interfere with court affairs, security affairs, and many other things in this country of Kenya, including the members of IEBC, the crew within the IEBC. Even if he is the person who appoints the IEBC, but he should not interfere with them, because those are independent sectors. They should serve the people of Kenyans equally without favoring any Kenyan citizen, whether you are a president, a minister, the speaker, PS, CSS, whether you are who, governor, MP. Those people you should follow the court orders, or you should follow the constitution of Kenya. That is the key thing. But here in Kenya, the system imeharibika. The system is totally bad. The country is crying. Instead of our president solving our own small problem in the Republic of Kenya, the president is busy running from urgent issues. During the impeachment of Gachagua, Ruto hakuwa hapa Kenya. Hakuwa Kenya, si alitoka. During the anti-government protest, Ruto was not in the Republic of Kenya. During the Sabasaba protest, Ruto was not in Kenya. During the fuel protest, Ruto was not in Kenya. That happened this year, 1 month ago. Ebola, Kenyans are protesting. Ruto is not in Kenya. Rigathi Gachagua's case is being heard at Milimani Court. Ruto is not in the Republic of Kenya. Sasa yako Ethiopia. Kenyans are suffering. Instead of the government finding a solution on how Kenyans, on how they can solve the challenges that Kenyans are undergoing, the president is busy wasting taxpayers' money in the name of going to look for development across the Africa. Ndiye amekuwa South Africa juzi tu, 3 days ago. Saizi yako Ethiopia. The president is going to spend $500 million on his trip. $500 million. Hiyo pesa inaweza fanya nini hapa Kenya? That money can do a lot of things. We are having serious issues to handle this country of Kenya. Schools are being banned. Watoto wanachoma mashule. Instead of president finding a solution of how these things can be handled, the president is quiet. The person that he appointed as the Minister of Education does not know what to do. They are just there. because they don't fit those offices. So they can't have that mind of looking for wonderful strategy that they can use to solve this ongoing problem in schools. Our MPs that we elected in 2022 are working with William Samoei. So who is going to save this country of Kenya? Who is going to save us? It is upon Kenyans to decide come 2027 on whether they want Ruto to remain in the office or they want Ruto to continue working as the sixth president of this country of Kenya. Akuwe 2 term ama tuchague mtu mwingine. But mimi nilikuwa naona tu watu tuwapeleke tu nyumbani wote. Ruto aende tu nyumbani na watu wake wote. This issue of recycling leaders after every 5 years, older generation, wenye walifanya na Moi bado wanafanya tu. Mpaka saizi wamefanya na Moi, Kenyatta, Kibaki, Uhuru, saizi bado wako kwa Ruto. Tena 2027 bado watakuwa tu kwa serikali. We don't want such kind of leadership in this country of Kenya. Na sisi kama wananchi ndio tunafanyaga makosa because huko tunalia na kifika kwa ballot box ndio tunarudisha watu ambao wanatunanyasa. So we need to vote wisely come 2027, ladies and gentlemen. Tupiga tu kura vizuri. This system, the system have been corrupt. The system in the Republic of Kenya within the leadership have been totally corrupt under the leadership of President William Samoei Ruto. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, comment, share, and don't forget to turn on notification bell for more updates daily. Thank you so much for that great support of the like and also subscription. Give me your thoughts in the comment section below concerning to Rigathi Gachagua's impeachment judgment at Milimani Court. Bye-bye.